Nonahedron, also known as heptagonal prism, done by Days Production. Descriptive writing. I am a nonahedron. I am unique and beautiful. Do you know how many vertices I have? I have 12. But do you know how many faces I have? I have 8. There's just one more thing I do not remember. Do you? It is edges. And do you know how many I have? I have 21 of them. I am much more better than all the other shapes, like spheres, cubes, and pyramids. I can hold up to 18 cups of sand. If you measure, that is 1012.5 centimeters cubed. To get my volume, you can just multiply my base by my height. To get my surface area, you add all my sides. My surface area is a very large number. I am a 1,873.5 centimeter squared nonahedron. I love myself. Descriptive writing. I am a nonahedron. I am unique and beautiful. Do you know how many vertices I have? I have 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. But do you know how many faces I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 faces. There's just one more thing I don't remember. Do you? It is my edges. And do you know how many I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21 edges. I am much more better than all the other shapes, like spheres, cubes, and pyramids. I can hold up to about 18 cups of sand. If you measure that, it is persuasive writing. Do you know a heptagonal prism in real life? It can be anywhere and everywhere. For example, it can be a Quality Street box, which is a heptagonal prism. It can also be a creative, cool storage box, which you can put your stuff. It can also be a hard Rubik's Cube. Cool, right? Or it can even be part of a drum kit, because its nice shape allows sound to bounce around. Narrative writing. This shape was very nice, but we needed to work hard on it to uncover its real beauty. First, we tried the net, which was a bit disorganized because of the different shapes there. So the net was something you called as a failure. But we realized something. The shape had 9 sides, but we only had 8. So then we realized that we needed to make another heptagon, and we taped it to the original net. When we actually got to start working on the real shape, we succeeded in the part of determining the size of each polygon. But when we got to the cutting of the board, there was a problem. Our cutters were a bit weak and frail, so there were marks on the shape. But when we colored and tried to cut them out, we were finally done with our shape. When we presented our volume, there was a slight mistake because the rectangles were not cut perfectly, so they had different heights, and we measured the short one. We had 14.5 cups at first, but when we measured, we got 18 cups. Then we used a site called Shapeways to describe our shape. here, I found the base by dividing by the base equal to 898, and then the height is 20 centimeters. And 898, can you please put centimeters on that? 898. So now it's base times height, so we're going to multiply those together. Is 17,960 centimeter cube. Cubed.
Three. Okay.
That's using formula.
Okay.
And now we're going to measure with sand. Measure is 200. Hold it up straight.
One eternity later.
That is 20. I think it's a
8,980 centimeters.
So